Hello guys, and welcome back to part 2 of our first session. So the next thing we're going to do is introduce a ball. Now if you've got a ball around the house, that's perfect. So a tennis ball, a sponge ball. But if not, that's not a problem. I've actually got a rolled up pair of socks here which I'm going to use, which works exactly the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do with my pair of socks, I'm going to get into that nice ready position which we had earlier on and have the socks out in front of me. And nice and simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pop and catch. Okay, nice and simple. Try to stay in the same position. I'm going to go pop and catch. Very, very simple. Now, if you did have a ball, what we can do is let the ball bounce in between. So we're going to go pop, bounce, and then catch. Exactly the same idea, just with a bounce. We're going to go pop, bounce, and catch. So if you notice, when I do it, the ball's not losing control. It's staying about head height when I pop it up into the air. And I'm trying to stay in this position as much as I can when I pop the ball and catch it. We're going to go pop, bounce, and catch, or even without the bounce again, pop and catch. But I'm still trying to stay in this position as much as possible and then keeping it at a nice comfortable height where I'm able to catch the ball under control. Okay, so we'll go a few more goes, that's it. So we're going to go pop, bounce and catch, or we can just go pop and catch straight away. It's up to you, depending on what equipment you have. Here we go, we're going to go 2 more. Pop, bounce and catch. With that nice position, bend our knees and catch. Excellent. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add a clap. So what we're going to do, exactly the same starting position, same idea with the pop up into the air, but after we popped it, I'm going to try and clap before I then catch the ball. Here we go. You could also do it with a bounce if you'd like, if you've got the ball. Excellent, well done guys. Now if you'd like to challenge yourself a little bit more, what we can do is we can add more claps as we go. So if you can do the 1 clap like we've just done here, got 1 clap and catch, what we can do now is move on to 2 claps. So you can do the same thing, pop, 2 claps and then catch. If you can do 2 claps, maybe try 3. But what I want to make sure is that we're keeping that control as I've said. And we also want to make sure we catch it before we move on to the next number. So you can't go straight to 100, you've got to make sure you work up one by one. So here we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, see how many you guys can get up to, and of course you can do it without the bounce if you'd like. So you can just do the 1 clap and 2 claps. So have a few moments now, see how many you can get up to.